The final attestation of graduates of the Faculty of Foreign Citizen Training continues at Ivano-Frankivsk National Medical University. This year, future physicians take only a comprehensive, practical-oriented qualifying exam. Due to the situation caused by Russia's military aggression, students are examined only on the basics of the team's platform. This year, 98 students from 14 countries graduate from the Foreign Citizen Training Department: Bulgaria, Ghana, Egypt, Zambia, Zimbabwe, India, Iraq, Lebanon, Maldives, Nigeria, Poland, Palestine, and the United States. Despite the challenges of wartime, the pandemic, and the long period of distance learning, most students studied diligently and honestly, so there is some hope for a successful outcome of the final certification.